Sarasmela Darjeeling 2025. My experience. Sarasmela 2025 Darjeeling, and it started off 29th October, and it will be ended in 16th of November if I'm not wrong. So let me show you the Sarasmela this year. Last year you have seen me saw the first time Sarasmela was there, so that time I came here and the same was there. This year I've seen Sarasmela, but the crowds are not buying over here. This is the mall area. Actually, I miss the mall area. At least the tattoos, not sorry, tattoos, not tattoo are there, horses. So this is what last year I missed. Last year for Sarasmela, I couldn't go to Mohakal Mandir because everything was blocked as CM came here. Fortunately, this year I can go. I had the lunch in Mohakal restaurant, and now I'm going towards Mohakal Mandir, and then I will go to Gorkha Hat again or Gorkha Hat because some of my friends order me something I have to buy from there, some bandana, topi, and bags. I was getting in reasonable price. So tomorrow I'm leaving, but before that I'm showing you the Sarasmela, and let's see. Oh, that was the mall area, and outside you can see many stalls. মালদা ঝাড়গ্রাম উত্তর দিনাজপুর তালপাতা সিপাই নর্থ চব্বিশ পরগনা উত্তর দিনাজপুর কার্পেট শিলিগুড়ি পূর্ব মেদিনীপুর পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর পশ্চিম বর্ধমান বিহার মুর্শিদাবাদ উত্তর দিনাজপুর মুর্শিদাবাদ কালিম্পং দার্জিলিং. Let's see. This is Purulia. Darjeeling, you will find Bangali and the bargaining which I was missing in Kolkata because I couldn't go to the new town one. So here I enjoyed a lot, but I have to walk a lot towards Bhanu Bhavan. The huge area this year, the Sarasmela. Murshidabad. And here you can get food also. Khanto Chhaya Coach Bihar. Tripura. I think there is food stall. Let me see. Here from Kalimpong stall, I bought handmade chocolates and some wooden toy for my friends' two kids. They call me Mashi. I must say this year Sarasmela is bigger and better. There are so many stalls like outside of the mall area. I thought that is just the mall area, but it's not. Outside mall area there are so many stalls. So I'm going towards that. I'm not buying anything, but still. Kalimpong stalls are there. I was thinking, where is the end? Like, yeah, it's good. This is of my vlog. You can hear the voice of the local people or the chaos, everything. So you can feel that actually you are in that place. Isn't it unique?
I love to do it because whenever later on I watch my videos, I can feel that I am here.
Already we reached near Bhanu Bhavan. So many stalls. I was supposed to go to Mohakal Mandir, but I reached almost at Bhanu Bhavan. So it is a good walk, I can say. My trekking stick is Zindabad. Oh God. So here is the end of Sarasmela. And there is Bhanu Bhavan. You can get some hawkers over there too. Okay, this year Sarasmela is huge. So from the Mall area to Bhanu Bhavan, it is a huge distance. So lots of stalls. I was supposed to go to Mohakal market, but I landed in front of Darjeeling and the I love Darjeeling. I'm here. So I was supposed to go to Mohakal Mandir, and I'm here. See, so it looks good basically. 13th of November. 13 is always a good number for me. So we went to Mohakal restaurant for the lunch after a long time because Mohakal was not good. Even 2023 it was so bad and so much tikha, everything bad in taste. I gave them review 1. First when 2021 I went there, I gave 5 star, and I in my YouTube channel I said it is good, but it was so bad and their behavior was so bad in 2023. Even in 2022 was not good. So we shifted to Padma restaurant, and yesterday night we had dinner from Padma restaurant. It was nice and non-spicy, very less oil. It was good. Yesterday I was not well, so I went there and had the packaging and everything. So today I went to Mohakal. I said, "Okay, chalo, we are not coming back to Darjeeling, so let's go to Mohakal. Maybe this year luck can click." So yes, it was really very good. I mean, not only the menu, the price is also good, reasonable. And the menu, there are many items. I cannot eat all. Even paesh was there, and I'm lactose intolerant, so I couldn't have the paesh. My father had his and mine also. So it was really good, and I'll definitely recommend everybody to go to Mohakal restaurant again. So signing off from Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima's YouTube channel. My kitchen will open after a long time.
During the video, I did not know what is waiting for the dinner, the worst experience at Mohakal restaurant which I already shared. In the next video, stay tuned for the Mohakal Mandir and the Gumfa.